I don't upshift, downshift, downshift, upshift, upshift, downshift, you know, constantly shifting, you know, for every single miles per hour that I am. Like I said, know the range of what miles per hour that you're in, and then, you know, set your gear, you know, for that particular miles per hour. Then I'll show you, like I'm in third gear and I'm slowing down with the brakes, but I'm in a range where I know third gear can handle, you know, 18 miles an hour. So, you know, I'm releasing the brakes now, still going. The bike is not choking up, so I'm coming to a stop, and I pull in the clutch so the bike can coast. 1, 2, click down. I'm in first gear. The bike is coasting. I'm just releasing the clutch. A little bit of throttle until everybody comes, you know, to a stop. This is what we call a slow speed maneuver. Like I'm in second gear right now, 25 miles an hour, slowing down, still in second gear. Got my hand on the clutch, braking just a little bit. So I know second gear can handle this, so based on the speed that we're going, I'm staying in second. I don't want to increase the third, because if I increase the third, that means I got to give it more throttle and get more speed, and I don't want to do that, you know, in traffic, because the traffic can slow down at any time, so I don't want to burst the speed. Like here, you see that I have to slow down. So now I'm clicking into second. I'm in 10 miles per hour, and we're still going, so I'm coasting. I'm letting the bike coast. I'm revving the throttle, letting off the clutch just a little bit, letting the bike go. A little bit of brake. We're about to come to a stop, so I'm clicking down to first totally. Now that I'm down into first gear, I'm still going slow, so first gear, give it some throttle. I pull in the clutch. Now the bike is coasting. Now I'm pulling in the rear brake, and I'm coming to a stop with the clutch in. So now I'm coming to a stop. I'm front braking at 40 miles an hour. I'm pulling in the clutch, rear brake. I didn't even shift down yet. Now I'm gonna shift down. 1, 2, 3. I'm in fourth gear, 30, 20. I'm pulling in the clutch now. 15, 1, 2, 3. And that's how I shift downwards. So I don't constantly shift down when I'm going down to 20 and 10 and blah 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 blah, because, you know, sometimes, you know, if your RPMs is not literally the same as your, you know, wheel speed, you know, it can cause a jerk on your bike. So fourth gear, I'm coasting. I click down to third because I'm at 15 miles an hour. So I'm revving the bike, getting the bike up, but I'm not 100% released the clutch. Now I did, because I'm a little bit more of a power band. So I'm in 25 miles per hour. I'm still in third gear because we're going a bit slow. So third gear, I like this. I'm braking, we're slowing down, still in third gear. I actually got to get over it, so wait for this truck to get by me. So everybody's going slow. My hand is covering, as you can see, the brakes and my clutch, because we can stop at any time. So I want to be prepared. So I'm in third gear and the clutch is in. Click it down to second, click it down to first. 20 miles an hour. Kicked in the second gear. And when I kicked in, we're still moving slow, so I didn't rev the throttle, because if I would have pulled back on the throttle, I would have increased my speed, and we're still going slow, and I didn't want to do that. So I kicked into second gear, but I held in the clutch and then released the throttle until I was ready to give the bike some gas, you know, to get going. So I'm in fourth gear right now. We're about to turn signals on, and clutch in, slow down, third gear, brakes, making a turn. You know, don't be afraid to, you know, do this to your bike. Come in. Oh man, it's beautiful. Oh. Hold the clutch, you know, turn around. Woo! Yeah. Believe it or not, guys, those little turns like that, like this on the bike, man, the thing is so much fun. You're not going that fast, but it's just the feeling that you get, man. It's just so much fun. Oh man. Alright, making it home. Watch out for people who may be pulling out. Left, right. You can't see it, but I'm turning my head left and right, so whew. Yeah. Do you have any questions or concerns about shifting in traffic? And you know, I'll make sure I'll do another dedicated video very soon. It could be the next one, about, you know, shifting in traffic and, you know, the things that I do. And I'll try to show you a little bit more of my hands, you know, what they're doing, you know, too, as well. So thank you very much. This is the Keep Living channel. Keep Living Motovlog, you know, to keep living motivation in life. And I am the KL Rider, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.